Hello everyone. Today we are going to check what is visit and example of container visit. Basically, whatever visible in the screen is called visit. It describes what their view should look like by given their current configuration and state. Flutter visit are built using modern framework that takes inspiration from React. When a visit state changes, the visit rebuilds its description. Each visit is lightweight object designed to a specific task. Let's see example of container visit. If you have to do some background styling like background shape, color or size, so for that try to wrap in container visit. The container visit decorate the child visit. If you're not wrapping container within any parameter, nothing will be effective in child visit. Let's see if you are wrapping only in container visit, it won't be effective. See, nothing is effective. If you add the color parameter, you'll see the background color in child parameter. See, use the padding property to add the empty space between the child visit and the container boundaries. That here you can check. See. Also we have margin properties that you can check. This is margin. Now in decoration property you can add shape to your container like circle. Then we'll add the shape. Uh, the decoration is by default size to containers child like text visit height. So it will be by default this. If you want to add the style decoration, you can add margin and padding just like we used earlier. This. Also, we have alignment property. It align the child within the container. So let's see. By default, it expands to fill parent width and height. This is the margin we have given, and it will expand like this. If you want to override this, you can set containers width and height. Or also you can use box layout model. Like this. Also, you want to use some more style, you can add transform property to rotate your container. Here it is. So that's it, guys. If you want to add some more style or functionality, we have official website, that is flutter.dev.